CADD Centre, the best foundation for a brilliant career, empowering your engineering aspirations through a Master Diploma Program curriculum that is designed to global industry standards and turns students into confident professionals. Students receive comprehensive training enabling them to master various CAD software tools, become sound in technical know-how, gain proficiency in planning and project management skills, learn about latest industry trends and concepts with the guidance of state-of-the-art software tools and technology, up-to-date industry-aligned curriculum and interaction with industry experts. CADD Centre's Master Diploma Program ensures that you master various software tools for all design tasks. Step in as a student and step out as a pro. To know more, visit the nearest CADD Centre or log on to www.caddcentre.com.